They're shiny. Very shiny.
I think it's over 100.
Nice XAGT there. Turned my back for about 20 minutes and the Tiranas are just piling up over here. In comes another one, really nice one. Beautiful. It's gonna have a Volvo weird ending. Happy for some. See, this is, I mean, it's just not your average Volvo, old Volvo. It's a sports model of some sort. It's got no badges on it, so I don't know what it is, but it's a sports model thing, you can tell. If you look at those gauges, actually Volvo gauges, that it comes out. But yeah, the antenna on the roof. Yeah, sports model of some sort.